When I saw this recipe, I immediately wanted to make it and I wanted to share it with you. So there we go. It's a Greek Phyllo pie with leek. Recipe is amazing because it's so easy. It's so simple. And if you have Phyllo dough and leek, you will make it. You don't need many ingredients. You'll see it's so simple. You will love this pie and you will make it again and again, I promise you. So first we are making the filling. It is so simple, guys. First we need our leek and we cut it in small pieces. Put it in a frying pan and don't fry it, cook it a little bit with some butter. Took a couple of tablespoons of my butter and I sweat my leek for a few minutes, and you'll see your leek will shrink a little and it will be like and it will become a little translucent. That's it, your leek is done. While it's cooling down, we'll make the other part of our filling. You will need a feta cheese. I had two different kinds of feta cheese. That doesn't matter. You can use any feta cheese you like. So cut it in small pieces. Combine it with eggs, mix together very well. Add any spices or herbs you like, fresh parsley, dried parsley. I had this Greek spices, dried herbs. It's worked wonderful with this pie. Then add a little bit of milk, mix together very well. And then add your cooled leek to this mix and mix together again. There we go, filling is all done, ready, put it aside for a while. Then we need to prepare our form. You need to oil it very well and put aside for a while too. Now take your Phyllo dough and you will need the whole package. So half of the dough will go on the bottom and other half of the dough will go on top. So take 1 or 2 leaves of the dough, put on bottom of your pan and start layering them. So put some butter on the Phyllo, put few leaves of the Phyllo on top, butter it again, and so on until you cover your bottom. Then put your filling on the dough, spread a little bit and continue and cover filling with the rest of the dough using the same method. Cover it with the 1 or 2 leaves, spread the butter, and continue until there is no dough left. Then butter it again very well. Fold the ends of the dough. Brush it with the butter again. And now you need to cut your pie. It's much easier if you cut your pie while it's raw, and it will be easier for you to divide it to pieces when it's done. So choose any size of pieces you want, cut it any size you like. Now everything is ready, and we put our pie in a preheated oven for about 40 to 45 minutes, depends on your oven. When your pie is done, take it out of the oven, let it cool a little bit, and enjoy. So you can separate your pieces. It will be much easier to do it with the spatula because we cut it beforehand. This pie is amazing, guys. It's delicious, it's tender, it's so good. It's good when it's cold, it's good when it's warm. I hope you like this recipe, and I'll see you in my next video.